Alright, I just received this package in the mail. Go ahead and open this up. Zoop! It's already opened. Just wanted to show you guys some hardware I got for the SI. Some braces. This one's going to go in the rear. That one's going to go to the subframe, to the frame of the car. And then that one's going to go right up front. All these Megan racing parts. Sweet. Can't wait to install them. Just making a video of unpackaging them. For the rear. For the middle. And for the front. Yeah. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.